Cut that nigga off, I'm back on my shit. Where the bottles at, we bout to get lit. We like models, niggas wanna get wet. Money showers, bitches real expensive. Buy me Prada in the newest Benzes. I'm getting Birkins and Benjamins.
You know we on a real big bag shit over here, you feel me?
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be installing this wig by Reshow Hair on Amazon. So if you want to see how it looks at the end, keep on watching. This is how the wig looked after I bleached the knots and plucked the hairline. So we're going to go ahead and get right into it. This is me just applying the glue on my head. And yes, that glue fell right on my eyebrow. But I'm just applying the glue around the perimeter of my head. And then after I do all sides, I said perimeter, not perimeter. You know, the front of my head. You know how it go, you ladies. We know how this go. But yeah, I'm going to just apply it to the front of my head, and I'm going to blow dry it dry. So now I'm going to go in and add a little bit of glue to the sideburns of my headline and blend that all out, dry it with the blow dryer, and yeah. Also, this is what the wig looked like after I sprayed the lace tint on it. I also sprayed the same lace tint on my wig cap before I cut it. I just didn't show that in the video, but I sprayed that and I got it from the beauty supply store. Okay, y'all, so this is the most important part. You have to line your lace up with the hairline of your forehead. Me, I wing it sometimes. I'm not even about to lie to y'all. I wing it. It always comes out looking nice though, so just keep on watching. So now that that's all down, I'm going to take out the extra parts of the lace that I'm not going to need. And I'm going to go ahead and cut that right on off along with my ear tabs. my camera did cut off when I was cutting off my ear tabs for that one side, but however, you will be able to see me cut off this side right here, ear tabs and all. And it's kind of just self-explanatory, honestly. Like, I just feel like it's nothing that I can really say. I just feel like me, I'm a visual learner, so I just learn more by seeing. But yeah, all I do is cut that part off in the ear tab and then continue from there. Y'all, I'm so sorry. My camera kept cutting off, but I just uploaded a couple pictures of how it came out after I was finished. And here's the final look. Isn't that amazing? I definitely recommend this wig. It definitely blended with my skin perfectly, and I'm gonna link it below. And it was very affordable, guys, so yeah, go ahead and go get you that wig. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you.
How do you have